See all these birds? Guess who's back sitting pretty? Blue. Hi. He's so handsome. While being attacked, he's not trying to go after any single one of them, just laying low to protect himself. It's not calming signals because this happens every single time he's there. It's self-protection. Thank you, Blue. This is supposed to happen in the wild, in nature. It's not wild because it's not something that needs to be tamed. So now that the coyote left that way, I had to be aware. So Blue, we're going this way. So I don't want to not just create distance because I don't want the coyote to sneak up on us. It's the fact that he can't sneak. Yeah, see, there he goes right there. Blue, you good? Over here. And I'm letting the coyote see me as a presence, not just Blue. Because he's calm and confident. Thank you, Blue. Let the coyote know that he's not alone. Those birds are still pissed. Oh, just got something in my eyeball. Where is he? All right, let's go back. Blue, let's go back. This way. You okay? Let's go get your water. Come on.